Good morning everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Morrison's grocery haul for you. Now, I have never been to this Morrison's before. As you know, I've recently moved and this is a massive superstore. I've never been in the Morrison's this big and it was gorgeous inside. They have a marketplace where they have local produce for sale right by the entrance, a big flower area and plants area. It was really lovely. They had clothes, home stuff. But anyway, so I did a bit of a shop. I spent £77 and I'm going to show you what I got. So I got 2 cat food bags. They were on offer for £2 each. I got some buttons to send to Paul, 2 little packs of microwave rice. These have been a lifesaver for Alex's packed lunch. As you know, he only likes hot food and he loves his rice. So picked up 2 of those, again on offer for £1 each. I got some stock pots, £1 as well. I got some Irish soda bread. I love Irish soda bread and it's quite hard to find sometimes, so I found this and I picked it up. Some tiger bread, Alex's favourite. Got some dried mango. This is one of my favourite snacks to have. And also, I could not believe it, boom, Portuguese custard tarts. Now one of someone else, Vanessa from Nessa's Nest, I'll link her channel below. She's a Portuguese girl, well mummy, that lives in the UK and she's got her own channel, and she told me that they did Portuguese custard tarts, so boom, got some. And I got some local eggs, check that out. I had to pick them into the thing myself. I'm probably going to keep this and reuse it next time I go in. I also got myself a ribeye steak. Got some king prawns and mussels. These will probably go in Alex's packed lunch. They're already cooked. Now we'll just add them to the rice. He loves his seafood. Got a little pot of living basil. Some of these salted caramel nut. I'm going to send that to Paul. Some sweeteners. I saw this toothpaste. I am an absolute magpie when it comes to new products. If I see something that's new, I want to try it. So I picked this up, natural extracts with Asian lemon oil and aloe extracts. I just wanted to try it. Got some sea salted crisps. I saw these, I've never seen these before, and again, I've just told you I'm like a magpie. 4 soft French baguettes. I don't know, just look nice, and they've got like a long life kind of thing, so I can keep those in my cupboard. I don't eat much cereal, but the cereal I eat is this one. This is what I have with my little honey yogurt and some banana, and then I add some of this. It's so delicious, and it was on offer for £2. I got as well some Cotton Fresh antibacterial laundry cleanser. I like putting that in with the towels sometimes. Enchilada kit, cheesy baked. This was my addiction when I was pregnant. I'm not pregnant, by the way, but I used to just eat this all the time, loved it. So I thought, yeah, I'll buy some of that. Some mango and papaya juice. This is our very favorite. Also got some Kleenex Balm extra large tissues. Both Alex and I just got over a cold, so we cleaned out all our tissues. So I got 2 packs on offer for £3. And like I said, they had clothes in there. And I saw this little set for £9, but you get the hat, the gloves and the scarf, and I thought that was really cute for Alex, of course, so hopefully he'll like it. It's got orange, which is his favorite color, so you never know. I also saw this. You always see the American vloggers talking about ranch. Everything's got ranch, and I've been able to buy ranch salad stuff, salad sauce, salad dressing, sorry. But I've never seen that before, so I think it's like to put in sandwiches and stuff. I didn't even read it. Seasoned American style ranch sauce with smoked oils and herbs. Anyway, it looked good and it was only £1. So I got my favourite jam. I don't eat a lot of jam. No one does in our house, but I usually make my own. I have a Thermomix recipe that I can just make one pot at a time, but I don't have any frozen fruits. So this summer, usually in the summer, I buy a load of strawberries and raspberries when they're in their time, if you know what I mean. But I haven't because I moved, so I just picked one of those to have around. I also got some sour cream topping, some honey roast peanuts and cashews for Paul, some of these milk covered pretzels. They were on offer for £1 and I'll probably send them to Paul. Not all at once, you know, like I build up a stock and send him stuff every week. I also got some passata for 40p each, some sweet chili dipping sauce, some antibacterial multi-purpose wipes with a citrus shine. That was £1. Saw these olives and they looked really good, so I picked up one of these. They had Method washing up liquid. It's the clementine scent, which is actually my favourite, and for £2, so they were on offer. So yeah, I also got 3 cheese and onion mix. This is for my jacket potatoes. Also some hot dogs, and then the butter was on offer for 78p. It's usually at £1.20, so I stocked up. This will keep probably for a very long time, I hope. Look at that, November. Yep, so it's got a long life. I can keep it in there. And then finally some Frosted Flakes. So that was everything I got at Morrison's. I was really impressed with the selection they have, and I'll probably go back again. And next time I'll make sure to take my camera so I can film it for you guys to see what I mean. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.